Hello, welcome to a quick repair video. We're gonna make a display swap on a Oneplus Nord 5G model A2003.
Hello, welcome
yeah,
to a quick repair video.
good job, easy forward. Maybe someone is interested in a display swap, how you open the device and change the display. Go. So, now we're getting to the screws.
Still do its job and hold it shall be.
Oh, here. Careful when lifting this up. Knocking off any parts can happen. First three. Build the other connection. Recommend always using some plastic tools. Lift it up from the side, better than lifting up from the middle, or nails can be dangerous. Damage the connector. Side. Damage done to the connector. So, I connect them here. I'll take that all out together. So one screw is holding the board. Place. Meanwhile, I'm gonna drip some alcohol because we're gonna use battery. Oh, another screw here. Filter board. Lift that up very easily. Cable, antenna, cables. And it is here. Then there's a screw here. Carefully lift the board out. Sometimes they go easy, sometimes it's a bit hard, so have a look under the microscope to get a better build.
Sometimes they go easy, sometimes it's a bit hard. Let's have a look under the microscope. Better.
We'll start somewhere here. That's it. Up. Looks like this one can stay. Just sneak around and see where we have some room to lift it up. Some devices are different. Your iPhones have some metal here, so you have to lift them up here or up.
Just sneak around and see where we have some room to lift it up. Some devices are different.
Parts like these, you have to be careful to not knock that off. Kind of rounding or antenna. So let's just start here. Here we have a little bit of room.
Parts like these, you have to be careful to not knock that off.
The arm.
We have a little bit of room.
Careful not to go too deep to the side. Can also be components easily knock off. We're not really moving here. Look at the cameras. Are they loose? They are. These ones up here. Oh, kind of sticky. See here, we're going a bit underneath, so pick it up from this side. Let's just try that. To move, okay. Here. Kind of moving. Moves left. Doesn't look like.
What about here?
Ones we have on the back.
Do we have any screws left?
Pulling paste
Like?
prevents lift.
Sometimes we have
Get rid of the cameras here.
cooling paste, which prevents us from lifting up. Get rid of the cameras here.
Cameras out. What we found here, another screw. So don't pull too hard. It might be something left here. So I'm going to take out that screw.
We found here another
Why
screw.
this side didn't move.
Don't pull too
now
hard.
if we go
There might be something
in here,
left So I'm gonna
this
take out
side,
quickly.
or
Why
the
this side didn't move. So now if we go in again here, this side,
up.
we can
Yes.
get the board easily.
Also the way we're gonna put it back in there and then down. Okay, we have our boards disassembled. Now we're gonna have a look
This
before we put everything else, speaker and other stuff. We have something already here installed. Sometimes speakers and stuff are already
now we're gonna have
in this service pack
put everything else, speaker and
rated.
other stuff. We have some installed. Speakers installed.
This packaging,
Service pack
black foil.
rated.
Oneplus is noble, some silicone. Maybe.
Where does the camera?
Okay. Here's some details. Here. Have room for cables. This back. Also take plastic
Cables.
shit. The corner.
Push this back. Also take some plastic tools here.
This
Corner.
back cable. With your tools.
Cable. Cables.
Here. If you have to stick the screen to the housing, do it.
It's quite some stuff.
It probably would be time. Would take some time for just replacing the display
Screw into the
without
house.
housing.
And glue it. It probably would be some time. Would take some time for just replacing the display without housing. So that seems
Perfect. Place here.
to be, oops, not here.
Okay.
Come on.
Come out again.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
So,
Enough space.
Connections are good. Speaker.
Okay.
Good speaker.
Out again.
With the connections, seats are going down,
Connections
not
are
upwards, downwards.
speaker. Don't forget speaker.
Good.
With the connections, the feet are going down, not upwards, downwards.
New SIM tray. New SIM tray. In.
Old SIM tray, new SIM tray. Select the new SIM tray.
It's good. Quite some quality housing, still knowing it's the cheap Nord Plus. OnePlus Nord. OnePlus is making some quality phones.
Quite some quality housing, still knowing it's the cheap Nord Plus. OnePlus Nord.
For us.
OnePlus is making some quality phones.
Position.
So the cameras,
Click.
position, click,
Feeling good.
click,
Sure you don't have any dirt.
click,
Schmutz.
click. That one not feeling good.
Now we're really aligned and in position.
Have any dirt?
Okay, what we do need next, we need a battery to power it on and test it.
Click. Now we're really aligned and in position. Okay, what we do need next, we need a battery to power it on.
Align the
and test it.
battery as good as possible. First I'm going to start with the connection. Nothing can happen here. Everything is in place, connected.
So,
You don't have to put the cover on to turn the
battery
device
as
on.
possible. First I'm going to start with the connection.
Battery.
Nothing can happen here. Everything is Wrong charger.
0.3.
Let's see if we have some current flow.
Okay. I think I'm gonna leave it here for a couple of seconds and I'm gonna stop the video and be right back. So, we're back. Now we're at about 10 minutes on 0.4 amps. I thought let's do some testing,
So, we're back.
Got my multimeter here.
Now we're at, it's about 10 minutes.
See if we can find something more.
I thought let's do some testing, so
1.8 volts, good.
Here.
1.8 is always good.
See if we can find
0.8.
something. 0.4. 1.8 volts, good.
Okay. Here we can see the battery, okay.
1.8.
As you can see here,
See that?
that's the battery charging.
8.
We have three, oops, one slip. Wait a short. 3.2.
I think that's the battery.
Slowly going up. So we're far from turning on. Normally the battery is 3.7 volts. Start turning on.
Slowly going up.
Nominal voltage 3.87. So we have a bit of charging to do here. So that's why it takes this long. Like the battery is deeply charged. I don't know. It's just for 1 month here because we had gotten the parts. Hardly. You had to wait. Yeah, so we're gonna leave it there charging and I will be back again. Hello everybody, guess what? We're back. Lunch break. We have left the phone on the charger and I can see we're charging at 2 amps, so it's looking promising. I haven't looked at it, so I wanna be as excited as you are, so let's turn the phone around. See if we get a picture. Oh, we have a charging sign, 75%. It's okay. Charging only with 5 amps because it's not a fast charger connected to, so okay. Let's try to turn the device on and test it quickly. Looks good. Cleaning with alcohol, get rid of our fatty fingerprints, do a little bit of fat residue, shouldn't be much. That's it. We still have that kind of, let's put that back. Very nice. So, a little bit of extra glue, but just a little bit to be 100% sure it doesn't come off. This is also fast curing than the adhesive. Faster. Take our nice clamps. Glass cover, so sure nothing is in the way. It looks quite good. Here we have a little bit of nonsense, and yeah, looking good. Make sure you don't have anything on the camera. Lenses. Quick look. It's good. Sure it's properly aligned. Push that around like this. And good. Good. Here, a little bit of wiggling. There, so we don't move anymore. Side. Go the camera. Push that or soon as close as the camera is possible. Here in the middle. Also move more to the side. For a little bit of extra. Oh, let's put that one on the camera. This corner. Check. Very flush, very flush. As flush as it can get, isn't it? So we're done. So that's a detailed way how to change display glass on Oneplus. It was the first Oneplus Nord I did, so it took a little bit of time. Had a little bit of issues with the battery. Could have led to some other issues, but it was just a sleeping battery, so yeah, we just have to reactivate the lithium ionic cells, and we're back. So that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you will, and to help me grow the channel and get some more interesting content. So I'll be back.